With the new school year fast approaching, preschool teachers are preparing for a successful year of learning and growth for their students. In today's digital age, technology tools can be incredibly helpful in enhancing the educational experience for preschoolers. In this video, we'll be discussing the best tech tools for preschool teachers to use in their classrooms. First on our list is educational apps. There are numerous educational apps available that are specifically designed for preschoolers. These apps can be used to teach everything from letters and numbers to shapes and colors, making learning fun and engaging for young children. Next up is interactive whiteboards. These digital displays can be used to display videos, photos, and interactive lessons, making it easier for teachers to teach and engage with their students. Interactive whiteboards are also great for promoting collaboration among students and can be a great tool for group work. Another helpful tool for preschool teachers is digital portfolios. These portfolios can be used to track student progress throughout the school year, providing a comprehensive record of a child's development. Digital portfolios also provide parents with an easy way to stay informed about their child's education and progress. Finally, video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet are essential for virtual learning and remote communication. These tools enable teachers to communicate with students and parents, hold virtual parent-teacher conferences, and provide remote learning opportunities for students who are unable to attend in-person classes. In conclusion, these tech tools are essential for preschool teachers who want to enhance the educational experience for their students. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.